What's going on, everyone? It's Marquis coming at you with another gym. This is episode 4, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how I program workouts for myself and my clients. If you're not programming your workouts, you probably should start now. Programming your workouts will help you reach your goals faster because your workouts are planned and designed around your goals instead of going to the gym and doing random things. So let me show you a good strategy on how to set up your workouts. At the beginning of each workout, always make sure to foam roll and warm up. These are by far the most important thing you should do before anything, because this will help you avoid injuries and also prepare your body for your lifts. If you do not know how to foam roll or warm up, I can create a routine for you. Just write in the comment section, warm up tutorial, and I will create a video on how to do both. When starting my routine, I always start with the most challenging lifts first. This is because when you enter the gym, you have the most energy. So my first 2 to 3 exercises are where I push myself with the heaviest weight with high sets and longer resting times. Mid-workout, I shift gears and focus on muscle isolation work, usually using either cables or machines. I still use a moderate weight with higher reps, but fewer sets to keep the intensity high and keep my form in check. Then towards the end of my session, when the energy starts to dip, I like to do accessory lifts and unilateral movements. Accessory lifts are exercises that support the main movement. Things like dumbbell work, bodyweight exercises, or lighter isolation movements. This is where I aim for higher reps and lighter weight, focusing on the mind-muscle connection, and again, good form. I do want to notate this, that your sets, reps, and resting times can all change depending on your goals, whether you're trying to drop weight, build muscle, or drop body fat. So let's recap. My training structure goes heavy to light, compound to isolation, big lifts when you have the most energy, accessory lifts when you start to get tired. The goal is to train smarter, not harder, and also train for longevity so you don't get hurt in the gym. For more fitness tips, make sure you guys comment on what you may need help with. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Peace.